Whether you are a beginner or a pro, the best mirrorless cameras have the features and performance to take your photography to the next level. Swapping mirrors for electronic sensor, the top mirrorless models are more compact and more versatile than even the best DSLR cameras. Many are also very capable when it comes to shooting video, and there are options available to fit a range of budgets from entry-level cameras to the premium models. In this video, I am going to show you 5 amazing latest and the best mirrorless cameras that you can consider to buy. So do watch the video till the end and do let me know in the comment section which mirrorless camera did you like the most. Please hit the like button, do share this video among your friends and subscribe our channel. If you have any queries related to buying a new camera, you can ask me on Instagram. You can message me there. I will reply you back. Nikon Z9. Nikon might have been late to the game in launching its professional top-spec mirrorless, but the Nikon Z9 was definitely worth the wait. It's an absolute beast of a camera when it comes to video, knocking the Canon EOS R3 out of the park. It's capable of 8K 60p video recording or 8K 30p with an enormous 2-hour record limit. Nikon decided to remove the mechanical shutters completely, which means the Z9 is capable of 120fps continuous shooting and has a max shutter speed of 1/32,000, which makes it perfect for sport and bird photography. The Z9 is powered by the deep learning autofocus, which makes the camera capable of 9 kinds of recognition: human eyes, faces, heads, upper-bodied, animal eyes, heads and bodies, and cars, planes, trains and motorbikes. It has the same 493 autofocus points as the Nikon Z7. Buy this amazing camera for its 8K 60p video resolution, 120fps burst shooting and deep learning autofocus. The disappointment here is there is the screen which is not fully articulated. Links I will provide in the description. You can check the description for the links and buy it from there. Fujifilm XT4. The XT4 was a model in Fujifilm's X-mount camera range until the arrival of the Fujifilm X-H2S. The XT4 remains the definitive pro APS-C mirrorless camera. The XT4 has in-body stabilization, a vari-angle touchscreen display and a fast burst mode. The XT4 is not just a terrific still camera, it also has a cutting-edge 4K video performance with a 60p 10-bit internal recording, and it's just a shame Fujifilm dropped the headphone socket. That is very disappointing. The only thing stopping this camera from climbing higher in our list is its price, which has stayed high and is only a notch below that of some very good full-frame rivals. Buy this amazing camera for its 26.1 megapixel sensor, 4K videos at 60fps and in-body stabilization. The only disappointment here is, as I said before, it is the price. Fujifilm X-H2S. It's Fujifilm's most powerful X-mount camera yet, but the price reflects that. Only just announced, the Fujifilm X-H2S is the new flagship camera in the Fujifilm X-mount range. But the X-H2S goes further with a chunky pro-spec body and handling, a top-mounted status panel and a 5th generation sensor offering 4 times the speed of its predecessor. The X-H2S can shoot at 40fps with a minimal screen blackout, capture 6K video or 4K at up to 120p, has in-body stabilization, a flip-out vari-angle screen, and a 5.76mm dot electronic viewfinder. So why isn't it right at the top of this list? Because there is so much power here that only a professional photographer or a videographer will need it, and it comes at a price. Buy this amazing camera for its 40fps continuous shooting, 6K 4K video, that is 6K 4K it can shoot with 120p video, in-body stabilization. Olympus OMD EM10 Mark IV. The EM10 series has always been designed for value, but this Mark IV version adds power and sophistication too, with a 20MP sensor, improved in-body image stabilization, and a new flip-down and tiltable monitor. Retaining the 4K video and attractive styling that made the Mark III so attractive, the Mark IV is an ideal choice for anyone looking for an entry-level camera that can do pretty much everything. The EM10 series has long consisted of our favorite pint-sized cameras ever. So we are really pleased that the Mark IV at last got Olympus' latest 20MP sensor. Even better at today's prices, it's one of the cheapest mirrorless models on the market too, which is pretty amazing considering what it can do. Buy this amazing camera for its latest 20MP sensor and 5-axis in-body stabilization, and the price is also affordable. Sony A7 Mark IV, a hybrid star for almost any situation. The Sony A7 Mark IV is a truly modern hybrid camera. It's overkill for beginners and more expensive than its stills focus competition, but it's also a versatile workhorse for anyone who wants to shoot a mixture of photos and video. A price bump means it no longer occupies the same entry-level price bracket as its popular predecessor, but upgrades like 10-bit video and the Bion's XR processor makes it much more powerful option. The Sony A7 Mark IV's new 33MP full-frame sensor doesn't dramatically improve image quality over the A7 Mark III. That is, the higher resolution also means fairly prevalent noise above ISO 6400, and there is a heavy crop on 4K footage as observed in many of the reviews. But as a complete package, the Sony A7 Mark IV is a solid all-rounder which could be only mirrorless camera you will ever need. Buy this amazing camera for its very impressive 33MP sensor, class-leading autofocus and wide-angle screen. The disappointments here are heavily cropped 4K footage and complex for beginners. So these are the 5 amazing mirrorless cameras that you can consider to buy. If you like the video, please hit the like button. Do share this video among your friends. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.